Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check it out, a 1989 Chevy Corvette. Little upgraded custom body kit all the way around it. That solid 350 engine, 6-speed manual transmission. This thing is a show car in its own category. Only 42,000 original miles, and everything, and I mean everything that's supposed to be working is working properly. Iconic Corvette with your target top on there. Beautiful Corvette stance. Clean Carfax. I'm gonna go through this. Nice custom wing on the back. And I'll show you if there's any imperfections. I've already walked around it once and there hasn't been, but we're gonna go through it. Nice custom exhaust system coming from the back. Full body kit. It's been loved. Front fairing and everything in good shape. Couple tiny little touch-ups have been done on the bottom. Hood is great. All your electronic lights work great. It's got a few little chips that have been touched up, but it's all original. Front quarters in good shape. Tuned port injected. Tires are deep. Factory wheels in great shape. all your fairing kits are good. Doors line up great. Target top is in great condition. So is your front glass. Wipers are intact. Rear glass, excellent shape. Passenger and driver window glass in good shape with a light tint on it. Rear quarter, no imperfections. All the way down, done right. No chips. Paint lays good. Rear quarter, passenger side, good shape. No real chips. Can't find any. Just can't find any. Just a nice quality driving solid car, all original. Let's take a look inside the cabin. Gray leather interior. Door panels are good. All original stickers inside there. All custom. Upgraded custom wood dash they had put in. Tilt steering wheel, telescopic steering wheel. No lights on the dash. All your gauges. This works inside your computer, inside the dash. Air conditioning and heat are working. Your radio is working. Your horn is working. Your lights are working. The whole car is working the way it should. Look at that. Touring Sport, Preferred, your mirror button. A lot of nice custom touches here and there throughout. Dash is in great shape. Your visors are there in good shape. Let me pop up in the back. Shut this off real quick. Get that popped open. Pop the hood at the same time. Let's go take a look. Nice little area inside there. Fill it up. Little overnight bag. Clean, clean, clean. Like I said, 42,000 mile car. All original inside. Suspension and everything is nice. Look at how thick those tires are. All right, let's get back in and fire it up so you can hear it. Great dash. Such an 89 when they had all that. That's what makes it so cool. And 99 miles. Great car. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go directly to my website at mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car. It will say apply now, 10% down, up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com, 84 months, sometimes no money down. Great rates, just a nice car. If you need shipping, we do enclosed and we do open shipping all over the United States. Please text me and I will get you a quote. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars in our inventory ready for immediate delivery. All the pictures are on my website and video, full description and pricing. That's mgmclassiccars.com. We are in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2 by appointment only. And you can reach me again at that number at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, Tri-State Auto Wholesalers / MGM Classic Cars. Thanks for checking out our video. You'll be seeing me soon with more toys. Have a great day.